Well, hello, guys. Well, anyway, right down there, that's the Forward building. How have you been? Happy holidays. Yes, I was saying, that's the Forward building over there. And this here is the Jarmolovsky building. There were two families that were competing in the Lower East Side at the turn of the century. Is the Jarmolovsky building. This was, they were bankers. So they were big capitalists. And then the people from the Forward, they were more like, let's say, people that, socialists you might say. And so they had two different types of philosophies, and they had competing towers on the around the area here. And over here, well, anyway, today we have an interesting thing today. This is First Technology phone repair, and he has a record store, a record shop. He let me take a video. I sometimes walk by here and see what he's got. I bought records from him in the past. He's got a nice section of records. He's got all kinds of records. This is interesting if you like the old time Dinah Washington. Dinah sings Bessie Smith. And here's another Dinah Washington from the old time Magic of Sarah Vaughan. He's got a nice selection. Chris Brown. He's got a nice selection. And he says that if you buy, it depends on how many you buy, and he'll give you a good deal if you buy a couple of more. Now let's see, this is Frank Sinatra. Oh, that's Al Jarreau. Al Jarreau, he was good. I liked his stuff. Al Jarreau. Oh, 1 second. Gato Barbieri. Here, Gato Barbieri. Caliente. He's got a nice selection. Very nice selection. This looks like Barbra Streisand. That's, yes. So this is the Barbra Streisand selection. Oh, what's your name? What's your name again?
Ben.
Oh, Ben. Oh, okay. Oh, you've got a nice store here. Very nice. Yeah. Thanks for letting me. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Well, let's see. What's this? Yvonne Fair. Oh, that's a nice title. Look at that. Stephanie Mills. Stephanie Mills. She's got a nice selection of stuff here. I'm thinking of maybe getting Dinah Washington later on. Deborah Allen. What's this? A red record, and then there's a blue record here. Nice little store he's got here. Nice music too. What's the name of that song? That's the name of the artist. You know, what's the name of the artist? You know, that's oh, it's like just some nice music, some nice. Oh, okay, right. Oh, I remember this. This is Bob Welch. Bob Welch. And what's the name of it? That was French Kiss. Okay. Marion Brown. Oh, okay. Anyway, so you can see he's got a nice selection here. Dickie Landry, 15 saxophones. Oh boy. Oh, it's like if you're a record collector, this is a nice place to come. Oh, okay. So, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Oh, Kool and the Gang. Kool and the Gang. Oh, that's good. Dionne Warwick. It goes on and on. You can see a lot of stuff here. Okay, thanks a lot, guys.